Hi all, welcome to my channel. This is Satish. Today we are going to unbox this Mies men's sports shoe version 2. Let's go. This is the box. Unlike first version, this is not a smart shoe but a normal running shoe. If you see the box, it's blank and nothing printed on it except the product details on the left side. Let's see that. I bought the grey color. There are two other colors, full black and blue. Price mentioned in this box is 3,999, but you can buy it online for 2,999. If you want to buy it, link is in the description. Let's open the box now. First impression, wow, this really looks superb. Grey and white color combination looks really nice. It feels lightweight. MIC is that they have used a process called unimolding technology, where 5 different materials have been molded into one. It helps the shoes last longer than the normal shoes, they say. Let's see this. As I said, the shoe is of 5 different materials. They are synthetic rubber, TPU, EVA, PU and fabric. Outsole is of synthetic rubber, which gives you the good grip, and they have used the thermoplastic polyurethane or TPU and ethylene valine acetate or EVA for making the midsole. Upper sole of the shoe is of fabric material. As you can see, it's a thick fabric material, and the front side has been perforated for air circulation. The TPU material has been immersed into the fabric. Me says this has a fishbone structure, which gives you balance and support. And they have made a solid looking shoe using this material. Inside you can see the insole, which is of polyurethane, which will helps in air circulation. And the heel side, it has a padding with a logo. The padding is of rubber material, I think, and it has a pull tab. And the fishbone structure also works as lace holes. These black laces are really of a good quality, and they have added reflective materials to the shoelace and the pull tab at the back of the shoe, which is reflective at low light condition. It helps us to get noticed at night time. And another good point about this shoe is it's machine washable. And that's it about the shoe. Let's see how it looks when we wear it. And this is how it looks. The fabric material makes it feel comfortable and breathable. It actually hugs your foot all around, and it feels grippy to the ground. This sports shoe is worth every rupee you pay for. If you are looking for a sports shoe under 3,000 rupees, I strongly recommend this. And this is my small unboxing and review video of Mies men's sports shoe 2. And if you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more unboxing and review videos. And thank you for watching my video, and see you guys on my next video. Bye.